The Powerpuff Girls were born! Using their ultra superpowers, Blossom, Bubbles, and Buttercup have dedicated their lives to fighting crime and the forces of evil!
Yo, I'm back with another video, and this is a continuation of my cartoon series. I'm mad behind it, but whatever, I'm here, right? So throughout this entire video, all I'm using is eyeshadow, eyeliner, and the same CoverGirl foundation that I mentioned and showed y'all. I've used some colored lip glosses too. After I be using the foundation, I just set it with some eyeshadow to match the color so I don't make a big mess. I'm gonna keep it a dinero with y'all. I was running out of eyeliner and it was annoying. So if you see some spots that's faded, I end up fixing that, and yeah. This yellow that I used is from my Secret Center palette from P. Louise, and the blue that I use is lip gloss, and it's from CoverGirl, and I believe it's from Katy Perry collection. So I didn't record me like outlining Blossom and Buttercup because I was just getting annoyed with my phone. It kept on falling over the tripod. Last but not least, my eyes. I just went in a matte liquid lipstick, but it was from NYX. I don't remember the color. Packed on some eyeshadow to set it, and we are done. It's Yelly on the beat, sun out. I hope you enjoyed this video.